Here are 8 simple steps that you need to take in order to start a successful online business. Choose what it is that you want to sell. So that involves some research. You want to research the product or service that you want to sell, but understand that most successful businesses finds a need and fulfills it. Number 2, you got to develop a business plan. An effective business plan will help you identify your market further, clarify your objectives, provide a marketing roadmap, and help you make the hard decisions that may mean the difference between a successful business and a failed business. Choose your business name. Make sure you do some research on your state website to ensure that whatever business name that you chose is not already taken. All right, so number 4, decide on your business structure. There's 4 types of business structures: sole proprietor, LLC, corporation, and partnership. Typically, everyone with an online business, including me, use LLC. Next, you need to take care of all your legal issues, i.e. retaining permits and license, registering your business, meeting all federal and state requirements such as applying for your federal and state tax ID number. Number 6, you're going to choose a website to build your fulfillment methods. Me personally, I got a physical item, so I sell on Shopify. You want to check out my website, you can log on to 26kingwavymerch.com. Number 7, you're going to develop and implement your pre-launch strategy. That, and I know you're probably asking, what is that? That can be found in your business plan. Also, if you don't know how to create a business plan, you can easily go on Fiverr and have somebody create it for you for the low. And lastly, you're going to launch that business. Launching that business includes getting the word out there, i.e. social media platforms, running ads. If you got an email list and you collected all those email addresses, you can go ahead and shoot out the email. Like, comment, and subscribe below if you found this video